This is a door I made many years ago, and it was on the exterior of the dining room. And when I did the new addition down there and built out, I took it off, put it on here. Normally, in the younger days, I would not be doing this. I would just put the what do you call it, back set, whatever it is. The back set is the distance back. The tingy, I can put the tingy in, and I would take my Exactly knife and I would just trace it with the knife. Marilyn, can you close that blind out there? You don't have a blind out there. That sun is shining right through that window, and I can't see a damn thing. This is these back sets are adjustable, 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 or 2 7/8, whatever it was. And there was many styles over the years. You press this button, you hold that button, you stand on your left foot, you face east, and peep peep. This goes from 2 3/4 to 2 3/8. A little bit, yeah. And then there's more. You twist this top and she drops out or sucks in. But this one is very interesting. You just slide it. So if you're 2 1/8, 2.5 inch hole is off by a little bit, you don't have much room to screw with when that's either there or there. But this here, it can work anywhere in between the 2 3/8 and 2 3/4. Pretty neat. I like it. I haven't installed it yet, but I like the thought of it. I guess that's better than nothing. If I had a bunch of these to do, I would set up my router, and then I would change this plate to the rounded edges one, which they sent with it. But I'm only doing one, so by the time I find all that, wherever it may be, I'll be done. This is pretty close to the edge of the door. Peeling off oak from this area is not an option. This son of a bitch is pretty thick too. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Now, if you think that was my first fitting, I got a bridge you can buy. Now I will take my Vicks bit. Didn't have to see that part. That was easy. Just put it in, put 2 screws. Mark the top, mark the bottom, where the striker is. Thin enough to get in there. What the hell is that going to be now? Okay, that's the door closed. Now we will measure from there to there. Now we measure from there over to there. Centered on there. What I have is the plate struck out here. Now normally this comes out and wraps around the front of your door jamb. But I put this on the anvil and flattened it out because this is about 8 inches across here. So I have to recess this whole thing in the thickness of this here plate. And I shall start by chiseling at that now.